Wearing wigs ruined my natural hair. As you can see, I have a lot of hair. I ended up with my edges being ruined. So I'm gonna come closer for you to see. These are my edges. I decided that I will be taking care of my own hair from this point forward, and I'm just going to wear my own hair. If you have been keeping up with my videos recently, you will notice that I have been wearing my own hair, whether I'm wearing it this way or in a ponytail, a bun. This is what I'm doing because I just want to put myself first. I care about my beauty from the inside out. This is my current routine. I go to the hair salon every 2 weeks. I get a wash and a deep condition, and I also get a trim. So this is why my hair looks like everything is the same length. The trimming helps to keep your hair length. I know it sounds counterproductive. How does cutting your hair help retain length? When the ends are healthy, the hair is not breaking as much. But if the ends are not healthy, your hair will break a lot more. In order to camouflage my edges and cover them up a little bit while I wear my hair out, I have been applying this product that I got from Amazon. This is a hair shadow powder. So I'm gonna show you guys how I apply this product. My edges are out here, and I take this side of it, which is at the bottom. So I open this, and then the other side is where the powder is. So I take the powder, I put, this inside the powder, and then I just dab it on my edges like so. See how it fills up that whole area? And I also do this when I have my ponytails on. I will link that down below for you. If you also have issues with your own edges and you want something to cover them up while you take care of your hair, you should definitely try this out. I've tried the products that they sell at the pharmacies like Walgreens and places like this, but they didn't work very well for me. You have to spray them, it's very, very cold, and I also don't know what kind of chemicals they have in these products. It just didn't work for me, so I left them alone and I just applied powder. I love that for me. The next thing that I'm starting to do with my hair is to take a supplement. This is something that I have been seeing on Instagram, and I'm going to be starting it today. This is Wellbel. So many people rave about this product. I wanted to try it out to see what it's going to do for me. So this is Wellbel. Today is going to be the first day that I start, so I will keep you ladies posted on how that is working out for me. I also ordered a hair pomade. We call it pomade in Haiti, and it's actually coming from Haiti. I will insert a picture of it here. It is called Roots Keeper Organic, and I'm super excited because I see all of these before and afters on Instagram, and I'm hoping that it's going to work for my edges. I also see that people's hair grow a lot from using Roots Keeper Organics. Hopefully I will see my hair getting longer and longer. Now I don't even know if I want to wear long hair anymore. I really like my hair this length. It's very retro, it's very classy. I don't know, I like my hair like this. We will see what happens with my new routine, and I will keep you all updated. Let me know if you have struggled through wig installations, if you've lost your hair, your edges. How has that been for you? Leave that in the comments. I would love to know. If you have experienced this, what have you done to get your hair to grow back? So let's talk about how wig installation really ruined my edges. I was going to the salon to get my wigs installed and glued down at the front here. As my hair starts to move back while I have it on, it pulls on my edges. I used to put a cap underneath. The cap was even worse, or maybe it was more visible, because when I lift the cap, I could see all of my hair on the cap with the glue. Once in a while, you will be seeing me wearing a headband wig. I have been wearing those, tied a headband, and I'm good to go. It's not pulling on my edges or anything like that. For the most part, I will be wearing a ponytail, a bun, or my hair like this.